Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how you can add a data analysis tab in your latest version of Microsoft Excel. As in our next lecture, we will see how you can perform a t-test in Excel. But before that, a very important thing is you must have data analysis tab. Currently, you can see that here in the data tab, there is no data analysis tab. So, data analysis tab is required for performing the statistical tests like t-test, pair t-test, independent sample t-test, and others. So, for adding the data analysis tab, what we have to do, we have to first go to the option of file. Here, select more and then options. Then this window will pop up, and then what you have to select here is you have to select add-ins. Add-ins, then in the manage at this place, you have it is already selected Excel add-ins. So keep this in mind, it should be Excel add-ins rather than the other ones. So I have selected Excel add-ins, then I'll press go. So here are the add-ins available, and what add-in I basically need for performing the statistical test of that is t-test is this analysis tool pack. Then I will click OK, and you can see here that now data analysis tab is here after checking that option. So this is how you can get a data analysis tab, and how it will be helpful in performing the different tests. Let's see. If I click on data analysis tab, you can see that there are different statistical analysis tests: ANOVA, correlation, covariance, descriptive stats, F-test, Fourier analysis, and so on. And what we need is basically t-test for paired as well as for independent sample tests. So once you have this data analysis tool, you can easily apply the different statistical tests here. Another important thing here is you can also, if I want to perform a t-test, you can also use the shortcut of t-test. But one thing that you should like t-test function here, one thing that you should keep in your mind that by using this built-in function of t-test, you will only get the p-value. You will not get the detailed analysis of the given data by using the t-test. So how you can do the t-test, we will see it in the next lecture. Thank you for today.